Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you exciting outdoor adventures, and today, we're diving into the world of campfire cooking. Whether you're an experienced camper or a beginner, we've got some easy and delicious food ideas that will make your camping trip even more memorable. So grab a chair and let's get cooking. Who doesn't love pizza? Now you can enjoy this camping-friendly version of a classic favorite. Grab some pre-made pizza dough and stuff it with your favorite toppings like cheese, tomato sauce, and pepperoni. Wrap them in foil and cook them over the campfire for a melty and satisfying treat. Cooking chicken on the campfire has never been easier. Season your chicken breasts with your favorite BBQ rub. Wrap them in foil with some sliced onions and bell peppers, and let the campfire work its magic. In no time, you'll have tender and flavorful BBQ chicken that will have everyone coming back for seconds. Need a quick and delicious snack to satisfy your cravings? Try making campfire nachos. Layer tortilla chips, cheese, black beans, diced tomatoes, and jalapenos in a cast iron skillet. Place it over the campfire until the cheese melts and the toppings are heated through. Top it off with some guacamole and sour cream for an irresistible camping treat. Bring some color and flavor to your campfire feast with grilled sausage and veggie skewers. Thread chunks of your favorite sausage, bell peppers, onions, and cherry tomatoes onto skewers. Grill them over the campfire until the sausages are cooked through and the veggies are nicely charred. Serve with a side of tangy mustard for a hearty and satisfying meal. Don't forget dessert. Indulge in a warm and comforting campfire apple crisp. Toss sliced apples with cinnamon, brown sugar, and a squeeze of lemon juice. In a separate bowl, mix oats, flour, butter, and more brown sugar to create a crumbly topping. Layer the apples and topping in a cast iron skillet, cover with foil, and let it cook over the campfire until the apples are tender and the topping is golden and crispy. And there you have it. Easy and tasty camping food ideas for your next adventure. Whether you're cooking over an open flame or using a portable grill, these recipes are sure to satisfy your appetite while enjoying the great outdoors. Don't forget to share your camping cooking experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting camping and cooking content. Share this video with your fellow campers and spread the joy of campfire cooking. Now, go out there, embrace the wilderness, and have an unforgettable camping experience.